Hello guys, this is Rhoda again and welcome to my channel. And today's video I am going to show you how to design a process and product oriented rubrics. But before we are going to start, please subscribe and post the notification button to never miss an upload. So let's start. So designing a process and product-oriented rubrics. Before we are going to discuss what is this all about, let us first understand what is rubrics. So here it says that rubrics in education terminology means that a scoring guide used to evaluate the quality of student constructed responses. So in short, rubric is a criteria for grading. Rubrics usually contain evaluative criteria, quality definition for those criteria at particular levels of achievement, and a scoring strategy. So basically, rubrics is presented in a table format. So let us say that you are a teacher and you are going to have a performance-based assessment to your student. So what you are going to do is when you are going to have an assessment is to prepare the rubrics. So let us say that your subject is clothing construction and you instructed your student to have a sewing project. So in order to assist your student, you are going to prepare rubrics that look like this: a process-oriented rubrics for performance-based assessment, subject clothing construction, sewing project. See, if you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 labels. So 4 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. So let's make like that. So in grading criteria, we have put here what we want to assess from our students. So we have problem solving, uses guiding question to assist with reading instruction, help other students, and works cooperatively to seek out help with projects. So when a student use the guiding question to assist with reading instruction, so the student will get these 4 remarks. So when the student also wait for the teacher to read direction, disrupts cooperative works and doesn't show evidence of working independently, the student will get the lowest score, which is 1. So another is reading direction. Here we have successfully and corrected interpret sewing instruction to complete its step, and so on and so forth. So another here is skills and techniques. We also have construction of finished projects. So when mistakes are made, student attempts to fix them. So loose threads are cut and fabric is ironed if necessary, no holes or packers. So when the student also do multiple mistakes, make and not fix, loose threads not ironed, messy presentation, holes and packers in most seams, the student will then again get the lowest score. So another is participation and work ethics, and that is the last. So if you have noticed, all these grading criteria, problem solving, reading instruction, this is done, this is assessed during the process of making sewing project. So, from the word itself, process-oriented rubrics, so we can understand that this rubric is prepared in order to assess the performance of the student during the process of doing the task. So, here also, I am going to show you another rubrics, which is the product-oriented rubrics for performance-based assessment, also the same subject, and what the teacher is going to assess here is the finished product. So before, the teacher assess the student during the process. So now this on product-oriented rubrics, the teacher is going to assess the output of the student, the finished outputs. So here, one of the criteria is excellent product quality. So, stitches are flawless, excellent choice of fabric, and economical. Overall appearance is marketable. When all of these three criteria is present on the output of the student, so the student will get the highest scores, number 1. So when the product is only good, it means that stitches have some flaws, fabric choice is good, overall appearance has chance in the market. So it is lesser quality than compared to the excellent product quality of number 1. So the student here will get the score of 2. So when the student output or product is poor, totally poor, the student will get the score of 3. So hope that it is cleared for you now what is the process-oriented and product-oriented. Again, I am going to emphasize that process-oriented rubrics, it is a rubrics that prepared by the teacher in order to assess the student during the process or when the student is doing the task. Product-oriented rubrics is prepared by the teacher in order to assist the overall outcome of the product made by the student. So, once again, I hope this is clear for you. And that's all. Thank you for watching.